personally, I can't recall where either the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory has ever said exactly what the governor of Rivers State should apologize for. I don't think I've heard it anywhere so far. So before I will agree or disagree that there is a need for the governor of Rivers State to apologize to him, I need to know what he's apologizing for. If he's apologizing for being the governor, or is he apologizing for doing the right thing, or is he apologizing for, as some people are claiming, that he is ungrateful because that the FCT minister is the one that made him governor? The FCT minister should not forget that Goodluck Jonathan, the president Goodluck Jonathan at that time, and his wife, the first lady at that time, are the people that made him governor. Now, if apologizing needs to be done, I think apologizing should start from way back before politics got to the governor of Rivers State. But you see, most of these things are petty and childish, actually. When you're dealing with a state like Rivers State, you're dealing with the resources of a people. You're dealing with the development of a people. You're dealing with the security of a people. And one person and a few group of people are making the governance of Rivers State about themselves. Rivers State is not about one person or a group of people. Rivers State is about every Rivers indigene in this state. So the issue of apology, nobody is above apologizing, but what are you apologizing for? And what really, how did we get to politics in Rivers State where the major thing about politics in Rivers State today is about apology? It's about whether you're grateful or you're not grateful. How did we get to this point? So as a Rivers daughter, I do not think that we should be talking about apology. We should be talking about development of Rivers State, justice in Rivers State. And as a Rivers State indigene, looking at what we have been through so far, from the breakdown of PDP in Rivers State to the oppressive nature of the APC in Rivers State, because the APC is not the government of Rivers State. PDP is the government of Rivers State. If any apology needs to be done, the apology should be coming from the FCT minister to the people of Rivers State. He has put us through a lot because of his own personal interest. His political or personal interest should not interfere with the development, security, and politics of Rivers State. That is my opinion.